भारती न्यूज़ सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Hello, good morning, and welcome to the third day of induction session of MCA at BVI Camp New Delhi. So today we have with us Dr. Sunil Kesarwani, who is a life skills and personality development coach, and with a vast experience of 35 years, he has trained people in different multinational companies and professionals in different universities and institutions. And it's our privilege to have him here today at Bharati Vidyapeeth, New Delhi. So it's my privilege to welcome you, sir, over here. Sir, first of all, I would like to congratulate you for having a tremendously successful session over here. I observed that students were having a lot of interest. How was your experience while dealing with them today?
My only answer would be it was something like love at first sight. And this is what makes me come again and again to this great institution, BVI CAM, because with that sincerity of purpose and that excitement of what we call today was curiosity, I think that's the name of the game.
Sir, I also observed that you touched a lot of, different features, whether pertaining to communication skills or personality development. And students too were very curious. They were actively involved. A lot of activities you held. So I would just like to know what advice, what piece of advice, what common piece of advice would you like to give to all so that they can carry it forever? This motivation and this energy and this activeness.
Madam, it's very important as we were touching today in the subject of that everything affects everything, which is absolutely true. So to be on a mode of excellence, we have to be surrounded by excellence around us. So maybe in small ways, if we can create the same at our workstation, I mean the office, we can create it within our friend circle, and most important, we can, जैसे कहते हैं ना, charity first starts at home. सो कई बार छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ही अगर हम अच्छे कोट्स, अच्छी स्माइली बॉल्स या कुछ ऐसी अच्छी बातें जो हम दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं, सो दैट रियली मेक्स अ डिफरेंस. एंड आई वुड स्ट्रांगली इनकरेज दैट whosoever wants to really grow in those proportion, have an element of practice also for that. Don't take things lightly because practice alone will make the things in the right direction.
So I would, this would be my personal question also pertaining to, looking at the needs of the youngsters nowadays. What advice would you give, or what technique would you like to suggest when it comes to developmental growth and, cultivate this stress which often our youth is facing nowadays?
Ma'am, stress originally of what I understand was not a bad word like the one which we are treating today. Stress was introduced by the engineers just to see the strength of those concrete structures. Even if anybody has been a part of the some musical instruments, जैसे सितार and तो वो हम जो उसको stress देते हैं उन chords को, actually that sets the tone of that musical instruments. So if we see from that perspective, stress was never designed to be negative the way we are treating it today. So maybe if we can see stress as a part of our life, like happiness, joy and sadness are part of life. Birth is also a part of life and death is also. So let us accept it as part and don't create it as a pressure building on us. And look to overcome it by that sense of positivity and this framework of the environment which we were just now referring to through these means, people, and even what we suggested today was to make them read some very good books. Because many a times when you're reading those books of those authors who have spent their life on their innings, and if we can have their condensed version and learnings from those books, that offers us a good opportunity to be positive. And to most of us on the lighter side, I'm saying, also have our blood group as B positive.
So what a wonderful definition of stress by Dr. Sunil Kesarwani, that it ultimately makes us, give good results. So we must make stress a part of our life. Sir, thank you very, very much for coming to BVI CAM and, having such a wonderful session. तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि हम BVI CAM में हैं. विदा लेती हूँ आपसे. नमस्कार.